Hey guys, it's me, your blue collar software guru, just doing a quick short video on how you can register for our website, my.flatratesoftware.com. So first you're going to need to go into Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, whatever you use as your browser, and just type in my.flatratesoftware.com. Then click enter. That's going to bring you to the home page here. At the top right, you're going to want to do the drop down under guest and then click register. You then need to fill out all the information here, including your email address. You will then receive an email that looks like this, and you're going to need to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes it ends up there. Once you open the email, just click confirm email, and that will properly register your account. You can then just click log in right here and put in your email and password, which I'll go ahead and do. And there we go. And now you're logged in. So that concludes how to register for my.flatratesoftware.com. Please be sure to check out our YouTube channel. We have many more videos that you can watch. Links to those videos are in the description below.